Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to refund someone on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you received a payment on Cash App. How do you actually go ahead and refund someone? Now if you haven't got signed up with Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and you'll receive $5 once you send your first Cash App. Now let's first open up Cash App, and then once you open up Cash App, on the bottom right hand corner, if you click on that, you're going to open up your transactions. So here you can see some transactions that I've made. Let's go ahead and open up this transaction from Johnny Appleseed. And then once you open up this transaction, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then there's going to be an option to refund Johnny. So you can see here, right now the transaction number is blurred out, but you can go ahead and refund Johnny by clicking this button, and there you have it. Follow the on-screen prompts and you should be able to refund him. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and refund someone on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.